Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your funds from the DMM platform, and also I'll be talking about some updates, some things I find out and things you need to know while joining this platform. So if you want to know how this works and everything, every information I want to pass out to you today, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, smash the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update on this platform, on this channel. So guys, let's jump into. All right guys, if you want to be part of this platform, you will need to sign up, and to sign up there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on the link. It's going to take you straight to where you can register and have an account. So once you log in, the first thing you need to do is to set up your profile. You need to go to your profile and set up your WhatsApp number and your Telegram username. I did a previous video about how you can set up your profile and also make deposit on this platform. You can go down below in the description of this video. You're going to see it there, or I'm going to leave the link in the right top corner of this video. It's going to pop up. You can click it and watch it later. So now quickly, what I want to show you in this video is how to withdraw. Let me show you how to withdraw first of all. So you can withdraw your funds from here into your wallet. So before I go any further, I need to make this clear to you that I'm not a financial advisor. These videos I'm doing are just simple tutorials and educational videos only, and if you want to be part of it, make sure you do your own research, your thorough research, before going any further. So quickly, I will just show you how to withdraw your funds from here. Now all I need to do is, on this page, I need to click on withdrawal, or let me just go to my wallet. First of all, let's go to wallet, which is down here. You click on wallet. Now after clicking wallet, you can see already on my balance I have 16 Dodge available, which is here, which is valued $1.18. All I need to do now to withdraw this from this wallet, all I need to do is click on withdrawal over here. Okay, now withdrawal is clicked. Now I already have my wallet address added already. I did that before because I've already withdrawn from this platform once. So I just put my address. It's a very easy thing. You need to go to your wallet and copy and just paste. That's all. So I want to withdraw everything right now on my balance, which is the 16. So I click all, and they know they are going to be taking 2% from my withdrawal fee. So all I need to do now is put in my security code. Okay, we click on withdraw and it's gone. All right guys, okay, now we just sent 15 Dutch into our wallet. Now let me verify my wallet if I've gotten it right there. So all I need to do is go to my wallet, which is my trust wallet. Okay, yeah, I just received it. You can see it over here. Okay, fine. I just got my 15 Dodge on my wallet straight from the DMM platform. So DMM is really big, and I want you guys to also understand few things like this. Let me just show you some things you need to understand about the investment system, about the system, how it works. Quickly, just click on team profile. You click on team profile, then you come over down here. It will make you understand some things, how your earnings are on the platform. In fact, you can take your time to check it out to understand it. And okay, let me quickly break it down. All right, so this is another thing I want you guys to understand about this platform, which is knowing the system, how the investment is being done here. So you need to take your time and read this. I know this is not on the platform. I talked to the customer service and they brought up all this for me and made me understood better how the investment works. So the thing is, the more your investment, the higher your investment, the higher your profit also. So even the percentage you're going to be getting per day is getting higher according to your investment. So guys, that is how this platform works. I just showed you the DMM. as is also paying, and it's a long-term platform. And guys, if you want to be part of it, there's a link in the description. Go down below and check it out yourself so that you can join and be part of this. Okay, let me just show you again. So to make this all right, you can see I've already cashed out twice. I told you earlier on I've cashed out from it before, which is this 5.25, which is over here. So this is it, and this is the second one we just did today. So I got them in my wallet straight up. So guys, that's how it works on the DMM platform. If you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload another brand new update. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.